Here we go.
Okay.
Wow, that was nice.
That was pretty good.
Wow. Oh,
Okay, well,
is it a car?
it looks like a mini car, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you making
I'm making time. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What a nice paint job.
That's a pretty good paint job.
Wow.
So we have polystyrene, how do you pronounce that? I don't know.
Polystyrene cutter.
Foam, yes.
Foam.
Okay, so we got these little pyramid triangle things. They're not pyramids, but you know what I'm talking about.
Yep.
All right, cement. Okay.
So
What are we making with this? It looks like a 4D chess, like 4D chess play, IQ 5000.
I don't know. It looks like the thing for your walls to absorb some sound. you know?
Yeah, it looks like a recording artist booth.
Yeah. Maybe it could work.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. But wow, what a nice gadget.
Pretty good.
Yeah, and we tested the same one. It works well.
Nice.
And very easy to do. Okay, what is this? It's just
Drywall, okay, a tool to make a perfect hole. That's good.
okay.
And that works,
Oh.
yeah. It probably wouldn't be that clean though. You'd have to sand it off the edges.
Yeah, I can agree with you, but generally it's good work.
Yeah.
Wow, nice.
Very good. You probably, unless
So
someone
first-
sticks a finger in it.
Yeah, actually, but they should add something, right? Okay, what is? Oh, what a nice measuring.
So that they have all the
things.
same measurements. Very cool.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Oh, a credit card. That's good. Yeah. Hopefully it's void.
The marks. You know, usually when you bid it. Ah, gotcha. I think
Gotcha.
it's, what the obvious comments from me.
All of our comments are obvious. What are you talking about?
True.
so we got-
fair enough.
We got a wall and some wood. And-
Whoa!
Wow!
You gotta screw it.
Whoa!
Whoa!
And we're gonna putty over it so it looks
Yeah.
clean. And I'm gonna guess the end of this. He's gonna clean it up so it looks brand new.
Yeah.
Wow!
Not a brand new.
Doesn't
but
look
still
brand new
good.
at all. I was wrong. I overestimated them. All right, so we got a soldering iron. I'm gonna guess
What
that they're
the-
turning it into shoes.
Into shoes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
the
put the
space for
laces
lace. Yeah. Okay.
If I'm wrong, then
Then what?
I'm not wrong.
See, this is for design.
Ah.
I guess. Yeah. Wow.
Beautiful! That's subjective, actually. Art is subjective. Beauty is subjective. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
Yeah.
Any more allegories for beauty that you can think of?
Art is yeah.
That's pretty. Subjectively.
Everything in our world is subjective.
That's the best compliment you can give someone. Subjectively, you're very pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Because otherwise, you're just, you're lying. Because maybe someone doesn't find them pretty.
But you're telling this from your point of view. It's
Exactly.
obvious.
So it's implied
What?
that it's subjective.
Yep. And
Okay.
you shouldn't comment.
Guys, let us know.
Yeah.
What are we talking about?
Where were we? Okay, on the video.
Okay, on
repair
video,
hacks.
drill, yeah,
a
drill the thing,
Okay,
bigger drill,
correct
okay.
thing.
All right, buy me dinner first.
Okay.
Jeez. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Easy and tough. Tough.
Tough. Oh, tough.
That's an oxymoron. Why? How can it be both easy and tough?
um,
Or it's easy to do and
Yeah.
it's tough.
easy to screw and
It
tough
doesn't
to,
pull out.
yeah.
Yeah. They could have elaborated a little bit better.
Okay, some space to.
All right, a match. We're gonna start a fire, maybe.
So, what?
It was just so that it would if it's loose, then you can add that little bit and so
Yeah.
it stabilizes a little wood.
Kind of obvious thing. You just need to fill it in.
Yeah.
What's that? Oh, easy to unscrew.
Ooh.
They use the box. Okay, gotcha.
That's cool.
Oh, wow. What
It's like a
nice-
reverse wood donut.
But
What are we doing with it though?
what the
Oh,
waste of wood?
It seems like a bit of a waste of wood. I'm very lost in the wood process here. Drill, okay.
It's some tips, some random tips.
No, I completely
yeah, yeah.
understand. Yeah, I get the
But-
topic, but
But what did you lose then?
yeah, it's more about the functionality.
Ah, okay.
Ah,
Did you get it now?
Yes, I got it now.
Ah, okay, cool.
Yes, it's you put the woods on the magnets, on the thing, on the clamps, so that it wouldn't make a gross design on your wood. Got to keep your wood clean.
Yeah, without any marks.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I know. What is this for?
Got some isosceles triangles, I think. No, they're right angle triangles. I'm just kidding.
I didn't get. But yeah.
Ah,
it's like a
it's
jack.
a jack.
Yeah.
A wood jack.
Wood jack.
Wood jack.
What a
Don't
jack.
you come back no more. All right, so
Oh,
Nice little wire hack in the midst of all the woods.
Yeah, to make a spring. For what?
What are we making this spring for, guys? Come on, I need context. Is it for, I don't know what. I'm coming up blank on things that use springs. Yeah. Okay.
What are we gonna do here? Oh,
It's so it bends. It's gonna have like a, yeah. Ooh,
But what is this for?
that's a cool picture. Nice. Very good. You got it?
I got it, but
Excellent.
I think it's not practical.
Oh, okay.
From my point of view, what is the screw on the beginning before this part? All construction should be inside the wall, so make it works.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, it's on the opposite of drywall.
Understood, yeah. Very judgmental.
Maybe they just wanted to show it. So.
Doesn't that blunt your drill bit if you do that?
What?
Like if you're drilling into metal like that, won't it blunt the front of the drill bit so it won't be as sharp next time?
I think no. If it's special drill bit,
Okay, yeah.
yeah, this should be sharp enough to cut any piece of metal. But of course, you need to sharpen it as well from
Okay.
time to time. I mean, after a while,
It'll become
yeah.
poopy. Yes. The scientific term.
Yeah. But the thing is, you need to use the special drill.
What are they
for
doing with
special
this?
work?
Use special drills for special work.
I mean, if it's a wood, use the special drills for wood.
Quote Archie 2023. Use special drills for special wood or something.
Stop it.
Okay. All right.
Oh.
I'm lost. Help me be found.
It's just the way how you can stack them
For them to dry and stuff. Nice. With the glue.
If you don't have any additional clamps for it, you can use this paper clamps.
Excellent.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're getting all the right angles here.
Oh, to make the perfect some connection, not the connection, but
Ooh.
also the angle.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that was nice. All right.
Right. Yeah, that's usually impossible to do such a perfect cut in your wood with such an angle without such a gadget.
Yeah. That's very nice. That's a nice gadget. Ooh, perfect.
Oh, they seal it very well.
This is excellent woodwork.
Okay, well.
All right. I like how they do these little diagrams against like a piece of glass so that you can see how it actually goes inside. Very, very neat.
Yeah, you visualize.
Ooh.
Wow.
This is almost like
Wow.
I don't know, like wood porn.
Yeah.
This is very strange. I have weird feelings.
It's, what usually happens inside the wall.
Yeah.
Nobody can see it, right? And now you can. Okay. Nice.
Yeah, that seems like a private affair. We shouldn't be watching
Yeah,
this.
exactly. But they broke that wall.
Yep.
Okay. The special liner, or how it's called. What is this thing?
I don't want to say protractor. I don't think it's a protractor. I think there's another word, but I'm blanking on it. Ooh.
And bish, bash, bush. Here we go.
That's pretty neat. That's a
Yeah.
very nice, clean little stand there.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Some isolation for the tube, I guess.
So we're gonna fix the get the right angle there. There's still a little hole in it though, so it's not perfect. Come on, guys, you got work to do.
But it's still there.
Ow. All right.
Okay.
So that you can adjust while it's still protected. Very good. Unless there's a burst in that specific area, and then you're screwed. Okay, nice little carpet thing. Get the angle right. Boom.
Wow.
That's satisfying. And now you have empty carpet on the other side.
No. Curious.
If it's not on the screen, it didn't happen.
Okay. Oh, here we go. Now it's make more sense than previous hack, but which was similar to this one. Sorry.
Ooh, I like this. I like this a lot. This is very good.
Yeah. Okay. Some magnet for perfect angle.
Little weld
loading.
action here. Nice.
Oh, problematic.
Oh no, we can't get to it. Just hammer a ruler.
A ruler.
It looks like a metal ruler, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta. Okay. What's the point? What are we doing? It's a handle,
Oh, wow.
so it doesn't burn your hands. That's good. I need that.
Handled enough.
I need that for my grocery runs because I don't have an. I live on a very high floor, so when I'm carrying up all the grocery, I obviously don't want to take more than one trip because I'm a warrior. So I take all of them, and then by the time I get upstairs, my hands have like red marks all over them.
I saw some gadgets special for some bags, you know, when you can put it, there is some hooks.
Yeah, that'd be
on
nice.
the plastic thing, and you
hooks.
can put many bags.
That's smart. I need that.
Yeah.
Or I need like a teleporting device where I can just like pew pew pew, and they all teleport into my fridge.
Yeah, that would be lovely.
Yeah. I think that's more plausible. That's gonna happen before.
Before you buy the special tool.
Before I buy a special tool, I'm gonna get a teleporter. Anyway, give us more!
More reactions!
My voice just broke!